Hey guys, welcome to a new video. My name is Sander and today we're gonna talk about the SC Project exhaust on my Suzuki SV650. So the exhaust I have on my Suzuki is a SC Project oval exhaust, and I removed the dB killer. As you can see, I still have the dB killer, undecided whether I will ride without it or with it, but for now it's without it, and we'll see what comes next. Let's just have a listen to the exhaust when we're standing still, and then we go riding, and talk a little bit about the exhaust. So let's just start the bike up and have a listen to the exhaust note. As you can hear, without the dB killer, it has a really deep rumble in it. I like it very much, but I'm not sure if it's too loud for on the road. So let's go ride a little bit and talk a little bit about the exhaust. The bike, I already ordered the SC Project exhaust for it. They mounted it at the dealer shop, and I got the original exhaust with me when I bought it. So the original exhaust never has been on this bike. I only heard the original exhaust when I did a test ride. It doesn't sound too bad, but when you hear this one, it's so much better than stock exhaust. So I always rode it with the dB killer in it, because it's a Euro 5 exhaust. It's really hard to remove the dB killer, but I drilled a hole in the end cap, and then you can remove the bolt that's in. Actually, it isn't too hard to do, but it's a little bit scary to drill a hole in your exhaust. For now, I only have to get an end cap for the hole I made, and then it's just fine. The reason why I chose the SC Project is, well, because of the sound. I heard some SC Project exhausts before, and the quality from it, and for the price that it is, it's I think really the best you can get. And also the color of the exhaust matches the bike really well, especially with the black and bronze bike that I have, and then the titanium exhaust. It fits the bike perfectly. So I don't know if you can hear that, but on the downshifts it pops, and that's a really good sound. Especially when the baffle is out, it's such a dark noise. It's really, it's a really good sound. that's about all I have to say about the exhaust. Let's just have some more clips so you can hear the exhaust a little bit better. So guys, then that's it. Really love the exhaust note that it makes, especially with the baffle out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give this video a like, and I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And then for now, ride safe, and I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye.